Hey, welcome back. This is TinyHouse and Off-Grid Resources. And tonight, it's cold and it's raining outside, so we're watching whittling videos because the 10-year-old's got a new pocket knife. And so she's just destroying a piece of wood so that she can get used to it. It's a perfect little 3-inch one, perfect for small hands. She's having a great time. Outside, the tuis have come down from the bush and the hills around our town to feed on the nectar from the beautiful yellow kowhai blossoms in the garden. This is Star. I've just built her a new cage because Star's just had babies for the first time. Yeah, the 10-year-old got herself a boy rabbit the other day, and they said hello to each other pretty early on. In fact, pretty much exactly 2 months ago. That's right, it only takes 8 weeks for a doe rabbit to gestate her young ones. The first time they kit, it's likely only going to be a small number. In this case, we've had 2. It's real easy. A boy and a girl, a black one and a white one. Or maybe a chocolate brown. Just have to wait and see. And Star's spending her time sitting in the sun and getting into some sustenance. It's going to be hard work keeping up with 2 young ones. While I've been here, she's just hopped up the steps twice to check on the young ones. She doesn't actually go inside, she just sticks her head above the parapet, make sure that they're still in there. I found offcuts of chicken wire at the dump. And so these pieces of chicken wire, they're brand new, but they're just offcuts from a bigger job. So they've never been used. The frame's 100% pallet timber, a piece of recycled roofing iron, and a disc off the front wheel of a mountain bike forms the nice star windows so that we can keep an eye on what's going on inside. Over here we've got Rex, the dirty little pirate. All he wants to think about is bonking. He's a lovely looking little bloke. And boy can he eat. I have to bring him 3 square meals a day. Honestly, this little critter gets through 3 bucketfuls of grass a day. But you didn't click on the thumbnail to see randy male rabbits. You want to see the cute little baby bunnies, don't you? So here we are. We've got a black one and a white one. There might even be a male and a female, who knows? But they're tiny. They were born yesterday in the rain. And I'm not going to touch them. I'm just going to leave them here. Cover them up again. And we'll leave it to Mum. Japanese quail. This is Spencer and Snowflake. Spencer's a grump. Yeah, you. But Snowflake's a little darling. They're very kind to each other. Even though he's a grump with the other birds, these two really do get on well. They're a perfect couple. Down here we've got Milo. Milo's very antisocial. Put him in with the other birds, he attacks them. Simple as that. 2 girls and a boy. Tell which one's the boy. He's the one madly shagging the girls. Up here we've got another nice combo. The male's the one with the yellow band. These are Japanese Rabbits Quail. I don't have names for these 2. That's not my responsibility. I just pay for everything and do all the work. The 10-year-old does the naming of the animals. So the birds are laying, the bunnies are bonking, we've got buds and leaves on all of the fruit trees, and the vegetables are growing. What could be better at TinyHouse and Off-Grid Resources?